Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily do a panoramic picture on your HOHEM iSteady M6. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the HOHEM Joy app on your device. Now click the camera button. And here go to Pano, which is the panorama. Now here we can change these modes. As you guys can see, here we can make a full 360 for example. And now after we start, we need to take 14 pictures and we need to rotate it. So it's pretty hard, but if you get it, then the pictures will look amazing. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.